It seems like only yesterday when we were in Barcelona for Mobile World Congress. There, OPPO kind of teased technology that would be coming in their next flagship smartphone, which they promised would drop in the second quarter of 2019. Well, that time has come. This is our OPPO Reno 10X Zoom hands-on. If you've been following the channel for a while now, you'll know that Reno is not OPPO's current lineup of smartphones. It's a new idea which they believe represents the epitome of their creative vision, a catalyst of what's yet to come from the company over the course of the next 10 years. Central to this new series is a new design language. From the outside, you can already tell this is unlike any other OPPO phone we've seen before. This model has this beautiful matte finish in ocean green. It also comes in this glossy jet black finish. At the back, everything is in it for the symmetry, and the cameras are no longer protruding. But just below them is what OPPO calls the protective O-dot, a small ceramic bump that's meant to elevate the phone ever so slightly and protect the phone from surface marks. Over here you have the logo and small text that says designed by OPPO that are printed like so. And that's because the Reno series is made primarily with photography and mobile entertainment in mind. In case you didn't notice, the OPPO logo got an update as well. Up front, an unobstructed full screen display. No holes, no notches. Where's the selfie camera, you might ask? It's hidden here up top. Switch to selfie mode and up pops the front-facing camera. In this pop-up module are the earpiece, front-facing soft light, and the 16-megapixel front-facing camera, as well as a flash here at the back. Here are what selfies look like. But wait, the pop-up camera is only the tip of the iceberg. What you should really be paying attention to are these three cameras at the back. Last February, we already showed you how this telephoto lens works. Because of the setup and the phone's dual OIS, it can go up to 10 times hybrid zoom, just like what its name suggests. Here, take a look at some photos we shot around Zurich. It can also zoom up to 20x if you really want to get in closer. The OPPO Reno 10X Zoom also has Ultra Night Mode 2.0. Using a combination of a large sensor, fast aperture, and software magic, you can avoid unnecessary lights and get better detail in low light. This is not a surprise though, as OPPO's mid-range R17 Pro was also one of the best low-light cameras we tried last year. The OPPO Reno 10X Zoom is a flagship device that can rival any top-of-the-line smartphone from 2019. OPPO emphasizes great gaming performance on this phone with HyperBoost 2.0, which helps avoid lags and touch performance issues. The phone also relies on 3 heat dissipation methods, including graphite sheets, copper pipe cooling tech, and thermal conductive grease paste to help control overheating when playing for longer periods. Now, we didn't really get to test this out, but we'll let you know what gaming performance is really like once we get our hands on an international review device. Make sure that you make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit so you don't miss any of that. The OPPO Reno 10X Zoom also has a humongous battery. But not to sound like a broken record here, but really what's more important to me is fast wired charging speeds. OPPO promises a faster VOOC 3.0 charging technology on the Reno 10X Zoom, so you don't have to wait forever for it to charge. Speaking of faster, the in-display fingerprint scanner on the Reno 10X Zoom is one of the fastest we've used today. Let's see that again. If that's not your cup of tea, there's still Face Unlock. Yep, even if the camera is hidden, it will pop up whenever you want to unlock the phone using your face. But this happens so fast, you'll barely see the magic happen. And that was our OPPO Reno 10X Zoom hands-on? What do you think of the phone, and would you like a review? Let us know in the comments section below. As always, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that bell icon so that you get notified as soon as we post new videos. Follow us on social media for all the fun stuff, and as always, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm Michael Josh. Thanks for dropping by.